My name is Michael Downey, and I'm the community manager for OpenMRS. We're a free and open source medical record system, primarily for use in the developing world or anywhere people have limited access to IT and technical means. So our students this summer worked on some really amazing projects. We had everything going on from redesigning the UI of OpenMRS to be more accessible and user-friendly for clinicians, people working in hospitals. We had people integrating with other systems such as business intelligence systems and other health IT systems, so people can take health information and share it freely among many different free software projects. One of the really interesting projects that our student worked on this summer was building a software development kit, an SDK for OpenMRS, which will really open the doors for many more Summer of Code students, many more volunteers in the future, to get them up and running as an OpenMRS developer literally in the matter of minutes. In the past, it took hours or even days to get a development environment set up, and this student's project has really made it possible for people to get involved very, very quickly. So OpenMRS got started in the second year of Google Summer of Code back in 2006. And I got involved with the project in 2009 and have been an organization administrator since then. And basically that means while I'm not a mentor myself, I help coordinate all the mentors and all the students every year for the program. And quite frankly, it's been a really, really rewarding experience to get to meet students and mentors from all over the world and to make some really awesome projects happen each summer. For me as an organization admin for OpenMRS, I really, really enjoy getting to know all the students and mentors from around the world. We have as many as 20 students and mentors each summer, and really and just energized by the awesome projects that they put together, and to see them do real work that's rewarding, is really educational for the students, and a really great experience for our mentors. One of the most exciting things about GSOC is getting the experience to meet some of our students and our mentors and bringing them together. We have annual and regular user events and conferences throughout the year, and in more than one instance we've had several generations of mentors and students who turned into mentors get together. They've posed for large group photos, get to meet each other in person after so many hours spent communicating online and virtually. To have them come together really as a family and get together has been really touching to see, and has really served as an inspiration for those students to go forward and recruit new students into the program. In our GSOC program for OpenMRS, we have a tagline that's called "Write Code, Save Lives." And that's really meaningful to us because the work that we do has a direct impact on the quality of healthcare people receive in some of the most neediest areas of the world. People without access to good healthcare, without access to even good IT systems. And so what that means is that the students who work for us have a direct opportunity to improve the quality of life of people, sometimes in their own countries, sometimes in neighboring countries, but at the end of the summer they know that they've done something really concrete and have been able to really save lives around the world. So our goal is to save the world essentially, and GSOC has really been able to give us the opportunity to do that and to help our students do that, and so we're looking forward to continuing that mission in years to come. OpenMRS is an electronic medical records system platform, and what that means is we've built an ecosystem where people can add on functionality to the system and then pick and choose what they need for the type of healthcare that they're doing. So it may be used by something from a random doctor traveling through the villages in Western Africa, all the way up to a network of connected hospitals and clinics throughout the country. So we have really an entire scale of users from the very simple to the very complex. And with Google Summer of Code, it's possible for our students to be involved in all of those types of scenarios. So there are many different ways for people to get involved in OpenMRS. The easiest way is just to go to openmrs.org, click on Get Involved, and you can choose what type of interest you have, and we'll help match you up with mentors and projects and tasks within our project to really get started right away. We need everyone from people who can do development work to project management or infrastructure kind of work, to graphic designers, to documentation people. Really, no matter what your interests are, there's a place for you in OpenMRS.